Hello and welcome. On this video, we're going to look at the differences of scalar quantity and vector quantity. The scalar quantity are those quantities where we consider only the magnitude, and vector quantity are those quantities where in addition to magnitude, we also have to know the direction. So with this simple definition, let's look at some example of scalar and vector quantities. Here we have few quantities listed. Now our task is to group this quantity into scalar quantity and vector quantity accordingly. So first of all, we have speed. Now speed is a scalar quantity because when we talk about speed, we are not considering direction. As a result, speed is a scalar quantity. Next comes velocity. Now velocity is basically speed with direction. When we are asked about velocity, we have to mention the direction an object is moving. So velocity is a vector quantity. Next comes distance. Now distance is basically length of an object from a certain point or an object from another object. So in this case, for distance, we don't have to consider the direction. As a result, distance is basically a scalar quantity. Now comes this displacement. Now displacement is a vector quantity because in displacement we have to know the direction. So as a result, displacement is a vector quantity. Next comes time. Now this is basic because in time we don't consider direction. The time is a scalar quantity. Next comes acceleration. Now acceleration is a vector quantity because we can accelerate forward, we can accelerate backward. So direction is a matter of consideration here. As a result, acceleration is a vector quantity. Next comes to temperature. Now temperature is a scalar quantity. This is because to know the temperature, we don't have to know the direction. As a result, temperature is a scalar quantity. Next comes length. Now we are already told that distance is basically length. So length is also a scalar quantity. Next comes work done. Now work done is also considered a scalar quantity because in work done, we don't consider distance. So work done is also a scalar quantity. Next comes force. Now force is a vector quantity because we have to specify what direction a force is being applied. Is it forward, is it backward, is it right or left? So force is a vector quantity. These were few examples of scalar and vector quantity. So that was it, and thank you for watching.